Walaikum Assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Beta, how are you?
Fine, Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Everyone, please open your cameras. Turn off the mic when it is needed to speak. At that time, you have to open your mic. Otherwise, round the period, you have to open your cameras. Is it clear? Kulsum Rahman, Bushra, Seeb.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Rabia.
Walaikum Assalam, beta, how are you? Enjoying the vacations or not? Okay, very few students are there. 10, only 10 students are there.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm Sari Shanwas.
Walaikum
Sir,
Assalam, beta.
9 students,
Okay, beta.
excluding you.
Okay. How are you, Usman, beta?
Fine.
Okay, enjoying the vacations and winters? Yes, beta, Kulsum Rahman. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your, I think your camera is off, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please turn it on. Ha. Okay. Walaikum Assalam. Now it's on. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Shall we start now, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. Nashra. Only Nashra will answer. Okay. How are you, Shari Shanawal, beta?
Sir, fine.
Okay. Beta, only Nashra will answer. Beta, on which page I have to continue? Or what you say? On the last period, which page I have covered? Nashra will answer. Okay. No one will interrupt.
We will discuss chapter 5th question answer.
Chapter 5th question answer. Okay. Yes. Shai Shahnaz, is she correct?
Sir, I don't know because last time I was not present. Sir, I tell?
Ha, beta, you tell please. Ha, you tell.
Sir, I tell?
Anyone?
Sir, we will continue the last chapter. Wait, I'm telling the page number.
Yes, you tell the page.
Page
Please.
number 101. No, sir,
Oh, beta, this has been covered earlier
102.
also.
102. 102.
101. Burning in
No.
compost.
Beta, this
Sir,
is
102
covered.
we will do. You are telling that we are doing
Yes,
that
last
method
time we
of
did that.
fuel. We are heating it.
That, okay, that activity I discussed on the board, na?
Yes, sir, we were telling that the funnel was burned.
Ha,
We were
beta,
telling about
okay, no one will answer. Okay, please. Kulsum, you tell. We have discussed this activity on the board. Kulsum?
No, sir, the board we have not discussed. We have just said that the funnel was burned when ma'am was doing this activity.
Okay, so tell me, okay, just go through the activity and tell me this activity fast. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Tell me fast, Kulsum, about this activity.
Sir, in this activity, we got to know that we need carbon dioxide to burn anything. In burning wax. So what we will do, we will take a candle and we will put a funnel over it, and then we will take a test tube, and in that we will put freshly prepared lime water in the test tube, and then we will put two pipes in that. One from that we will exhale out the air, and the second one will be attached to the funnel so that the air which we exhale will go in that, and then the air means the carbon dioxide which will reach through the funnel to the means candle, so the candle will burn or else it will stop.
Okay, and what happened to that? Yes, Sharish, you tell me also this activity.
Okay, so the aim is to show that carbon dioxide is produced while burning of a wax For this
Okay,
materials
okay.
we put
Just
water.
wait for a second. Let me tell one thing to all of you. Okay, before any activity, na, this should be very much clear. What is the activity? Okay, don't confuse. Activity will be replaced by the name of aim. Okay, by the name of project also. Okay, by the name of means you can say a task also. Is it clear? So don't get confused with the different words. Means in this means if I remove this activity, okay, tell me a task, tell me a project, uh, tell me a procedure where it is shown that CO2 is produced during burning. So don't confuse with this. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Only 15 students are there, beta. Very less. Okay, let me take the pictures that how many students are present, that you are wearing proper uniform also. MashaAllah. Okay, that's very good. Okay, so is in this activity, yes, continue now.
Yeah, for this activity, the aim is to show that carbon dioxide is produced while burning wax. The materials are required: a test tube, a
Huh?
freshly prepared lime water, that is saturated solution of calcium hydroxide, a wooden block, a candle, and a funnel and a rubber holder stopper and glass tubes. First, we have to put the freshly prepared lime water into the test tube. Then we have to close it with the that rubber hole stopper, and upside of the rubber hole stopper we have to put both of the tubes that we have the glass tubes, one one will be the outside and one will go towards the funnel, and we have to fix the funnel into the test tube of one of the glass tubes. Then we
Okay,
will put a burning candle on the block and we will burn it. After that we will see, after sometimes we will see that some milky thing will come in the lime water, and that will show that carbon dioxide is produced.
okay. So you can say that in place of milking, a cloudy thing is there also. Mandasha, beta, you understood this activity?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very good, mashallah. So in this activity,
Sir,
what
we
is
did also this
ha?
in STEM lab.
Very good. Okay, so
Thank you,
remember,
Abra.
beta, listen to me carefully. When it is asked to write the activity, it is your duty to write all the 5 headings. Okay, not Ruqayya, you understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
Because you are confused all the time. Okay, I am telling it to you. This is your risk for Hafsa. Understood this thing, beta? Means activity means you have to read the materials required, what is the procedure, what is the conclusion, what is the result, or any equation is there if you have to write it also. And remember to write, remember to draw the figures. I said several times in the class that wherever it is required, figure is there. Support your answer with the figure. Okay, beta?
Excuse me, sir. Can you please repeat? Actually, a call came.
Okay. Okay. So whenever activity is to be, you have to show or you have to write activities, it should be under different headings, like what is the aim or activity, first heading. Then what is the procedure material required, second heading, procedure. Okay. Uh, or you can conclusion, result, in this way. Clear?
Okay, sir.
And supported your answer, activity, phenomena, anything with the help of figure. Okay, we should, Afzal beta, please read this para.
Which
Essential nutrients.
nitrogen, which is major component of air, 78% is an essential nutrient for all organisms. It forms the building blocks of proteins, enzymes, and other cellular constituents which are essential for all forms of life. Protein make up our skin and hair and help in carrying out various processes
Tara
in
Khan, you
our
have to
body.
listen carefully. You have to explain this thing.
such as digestion of food, growth, and repair. Plants also need nitrogen for growth. Nitrogen is an important constituent of chlorophyll, and however, the vast majority of organisms cannot utilize nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. It becomes available to them when it is converted into soluble nitrogen compound. Free nitrogen is converted to soluble nitrates with the help of blue-green algae and certain types of bacteria that live in soil by the process called nitrogen
Fixation.
fiction. The
Yes.
soluble nitrogen compounds are taken up easily by plants from soil. Other organisms obtain nitrogen when they consume the plants. Done.
Okay.
I
Yes,
want to ask you
beta.
something.
Yes, tell.
Sir, what is
What is?
biogas?
Okay, I will tell you.
Biogas.
Okay, I'm telling you later. Wait, Sarah, just explain me first this thing, essential nutrients about
So
nitrogen
in this it
fixation.
is saying that nitrogen, it is in the air, it is 78% of nitrogen in the air, and nitrogen forms the building blocks of proteins, enzymes, and cellular constituents that are essential for all the forms of life. And the protein make up our skin and help in carrying the various processes such as digestion of food and growth and repair. And that plants also need nitrogen for growth, and it's also important for chlorophyll,
Okay.
and it can in the it's a vast majority of organisms,
Okay.
and
Yes,
when it
Sabra
is
Abdullah, you tell me. Sabra Abdullah, you tell me. You know that nitrogen is a major component. Sabra, you listening me?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about nitrogen, how it is essential, what is the benefits, and how it is useful.
Sir, it makes up small particles like protein and it's useful for like many plants.
Open your cameras. Bushra, C, Mantasha.
Needed. That's why it is.
Okay. See, essential nutrient means it. See, nitrogen is a major component. It is very much available. Okay, so it has a very much uses also in our body.
Yes.
In the synthesis of proteins also. Okay, and
And
plants,
sir, in medicines and dyes, fertilizers.
plants,
It is
fertilizers.
important for plants.
Okay, human beings also,
Need
animals also
for
need it.
growth and
Okay, animals also need it. Okay, so see, nitrogen is very much important. So in the human beings, protein synthesis, fertilizers, plants, and they use it. And see, if we use it, so it is quantity is reduced. Okay, Sharish, clear?
yes.
If we use it continuously, anything, then its quantity is reduced. Then what we have to do? We have to do such thing that it is renewed again, so that a balance is maintained. Is it clear? Kulsum? Kulsum? Sabra Abdullah, is it clear, beta? Alina? Alina Khan, open your camera.
No, sir.
Okay.
It is not coming.
Okay, what's your query? Tell me first.
Sir, what were you saying? How your voice was not coming at that time?
Then will decrease, so how it will increase then?
Okay, I'm telling now. Till now, you all understood this thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ismail, listen carefully. Okay, suppose that. Okay, so what they do means plants, fertilizers, human beings, animals. When they consume the thing, a word is there that is called as nitrogen fixation is there. You go through the word
That is
just
the
before,
cycle of
huh,
nitrogen
that
gas.
is the cycle. Okay, so nitrogen
Of
fixation
nitrogen
means
gas.
that in that process, nitrogen is fixed. Some bacteria are there. You said na blue-green algae is there. Okay, which converts the soluble nitrates into
Blue and
nitrites.
green. Yes.
Okay, and in this way, it is again recycled and back into the atmosphere.
So your voice is not clear. It's
Sir,
breaking.
your voice is breaking.
Sir, it's break.
Beta, this is maybe due to the internet problem. Okay,
Yes,
I will try my
Can you
best
please-
and
your
that's
voice
why.
breaking a lot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. Okay, everyone, turn off the mic so that a little much better quality will be there. Okay, see, blue-green algae is there. Is it clear? Some microorganism is there in the soil. Is it clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, their function is to convert the soluble nitrates into nitrite. They are eaten by means animals, and when they decay, animals died, they decayed, and it back into the soil. So in this way, it is recycled. And you see, when thundering storms are there, okay, in this way, nitrogen is also means recycled. Okay, so in this way, natural fixation takes place. This will you learn more in 7th class. It is there in the 7th class, the whole process of nitrogen fixation. There are few steps, 5 process steps are there. Okay. Yes, Isma, you are raising your hand.
No, sir.
Okay. Till now, you understood this thing that nitrogen is important. First thing, it is used. It is important for plants. It is used in manufacturing of the fertilizers. Human beings is required. And blue-green algae converts. And blue-green algae converts and fix the nitrogen called as nitrogen fixation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to ask you,
Yes, beta, please.
sir, that you said that while thunderstorms, the nitrogen is recycled. So I didn't understand that.
Okay. See what happened now. Basically, in short, na a complete process there in thundering. What is there? Some nitrogen is in the atmosphere also. Okay.
Yes.
So it comes with the acid rain. Sorry, it comes with the rain. Okay, and convert into some chemicals, or you can say acid rain. Okay, and it back into the soil. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Then
in
again
this way,
it goes to the plant's root.
again, that's just the whole process going on like this. You see, the water cycle. You just when you studied about the water cycle, a complete process going on, and it is continued like a cycle. Okay. In the higher classes, you discuss, you will read inshallah about the means carbon cycle is there,
Nitrogen cycle.
oxygen cycle is there, and CO2 carbon dioxide cycle is there. Okay. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now read air pollution. Ruqayya Khurshid, please read it.
Okay, sir. The release of undesirable and harmful substances into the air is called air pollution. The undesirable and harmful substances present in the air are called air pollutants. Hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide in excess, methane and ammonia are common gaseous air pollutants. Dust, smoke, and soot are some common solid particulate air pollutants. Sources of air pollution. Most of the air pollution is caused by the variety of human activities. However, natural phenomena also contribute to air pollution to some next extent. Some major sources of air pollutants are combustion of fuels,
Fuels such as coal and oil are extensively used in factories, in thermal powerhouses for producing electricity, and in road, air, and rail transport. Combustion of these fuels produces air pollutants like nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide, gaseous emissions from factories. A large number of factories and industries constantly release huge amounts of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, chemicals, and similar harmful organic compounds into the air. Agricultural
Activities.
activities. A large compound
Yes, read.
of
Maria Irfan, you read.
such as pesticides.
Wait,
Yes,
beta,
sir.
Maria Irfan, beta, you continue reading.
Yes, sir. Fertilizers are used in agriculture. Agriculture. These chemicals also get mixed with air. As an old practice, at some places, farmers burn the remains of the previous crops called rali in northern part of India lying in their field. The smoke emitted is a harmful part of organic waste. Harmful gases like methane are generated from decaying of dead animal and plant remains filled in huge landfill. Natural phenomenon. Certain natural activities such as volcanic eruptions, dust storms, and wildfires also contribute to air pollution.
Okay.
Radiations.
Okay, Sabra Abdullah, please explain these points in your own words.
They're saying that many of our activities, like the sources of air
Sir, her voice is not coming.
from
Sir, her
natural
voice is audible. Her voice is not audible.
Okay. Wait. Now is it audible now? Now
So
is it,
your voice is audible, but
Yours
not
is
Sabra's.
audible,
Your
but
voice is
Sabra's
audible, but Sabra's voice is not audible.
okay, okay. Okay, I'm telling you, just listen to me carefully. Okay. You read about the pollution also when we are reading, read that chapter water. Okay.
Water.
Basically, what is pollution? Pollution means any contamination. Okay. If that contamination is in, I can write pollution means contamination. Okay. Addition of harmful
Yes.
thing. Addition of harmful
Harmful substances.
things. Okay. If it is added in water, that harmful substances, it is called as what a water pollution, you know.
Water pollution.
If it is added to the
Or
air, it's
mixed
called
in
as
air.
air pollution.
Air pollution.
Yes. Sir, what is ammonia?
Ammonia is with a NH3. Okay, it is made by mixing nitrogen and hydrogen. It is a fertilizer. it is mixed, matlab it is mixed and used in fertilizers, ammonia.
So it is a pollutant.
Yes, because you see now when you means I told now when excess fertilizers are used in the field, and when these fertilizers are passed into the water, they contaminate the water. Okay, and in fertilizer ammonia is used, so it will harm the fishes and contaminate the water. Okay, understood, beta? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
these
sir.
are the
Yes, sir.
things. See, sources, what are these different source or kinds which makes our air dirty? You see, different methods will make our air pollute, dirty, harmful for us. For means you can say harmful for humans, or in one word you can say harmful for living beings. Okay. See, atomic and nuclear explosion means you see atomic bombs are there, nuclear reactors are there. So the emission of
Yes, sir,
gas,
China.
so if the emission of the
Sir.
gases are very harmful, very, very harmful. Harmful gases are released, and which is so much dangerous, but so much dangerous, na? The, the impact of that gases stay or continue for means 50 or means 40 or 30 years. So much means dangerous, the radiations, the quality of the air. If you Google na, when in Japan, Nagasaki and Hiroshima, when nuclear bomb was there, the quality of the air is so much poisonous and so much means become contaminated that the plants, human beings, boys, girls, babies, all are infected, and several thousand
Your
of
voice
lives
is
have gone.
breaking.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay, better that okay, I'm trying means connection is complete. Signals are totally correct.
Sir, it's very, the voice is lacking.
Sir, it
Beta,
is very much breaking.
okay, you also check means 100% means the arrow of the internet na, that sign, the curve sign like this na,
Yes, sir.
full or not the strength.
Mine is full.
Or one or two towers are
Sir,
there.
mine is full.
Okay,
Mine
who
is
is
full.
who has having full, that will be okay. Listen, due to the bad weather also, there is maybe a chances of means less strength of the signals. Okay. Another better see source of air pollution is natural phenomena. What are natural phenomena? Like volcano eruptions are there. Okay. Obviously, volcano eruption is fire is coming out from the under the earth. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, Sherry beta, understood this thing?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Isma understood beta, Madhya. See in volcano eruptions, when the means eruption is taking place. Okay, the lava is coming out. That is means molten rock, you can say. Okay, so due to that eruption, a lot of dangerous gases are coming. Okay, so that gases also
Gases are
pollute
acute.
the environment, and it is the persons, the peoples who are living in that region is also get affected by that quality of air, bad quality of air.
It is very hard to breathe and we are dying also.
Exactly,
Yeah,
beta.
because
See, in nearby Delhi also, na, there are so many people using mask before the pandemic also. You heard this news also. A lot of a lot of difficulty they are using in the morning time, and the that you can say na that joggers are going for jogging, so they are having lot of breathing problem. Is that audible?
Yes.
Okay, so that gases will pollute the environment and become a cause of air pollution.
And in sir, in New Delhi, so much air pollution is there that winter is not. Just
Huh.
fog is there.
Yes,
But
beta.
natural winter is not there.
Yes, beta, you are totally right. See, in the means you can say na, in short, you heard this word, the visibility is very low. Okay, that is not for
yes, sir.
that is due to the means contamination, or you can say
Pollution.
the pollutants are deposited and it will no go up inside the atmosphere.
Yes.
So this is the thing. Okay. Remember, okay, listen everyone, what after the meeting has got over, whatever you have queries, you can ask me on my number. Okay. And I will ask you some questions also. Okay. So,
Sir, please take test next period.
inshallah, inshallah. So that we have to
Okay, sir.
revise all the things thoroughly.
So you will take test of chapter 5 or chapter 4?
I will
Chapter
notify,
one,
beta, I will notify if I
one.
will take the test. Listen to me. Okay. I will notify whatever will do. If I notify for the test, I will take test. If I will not notify for the test, I will continue and ask the question during the class.
Okay.
Sir,
Ji.
you have assigned chapter 5, but we have not completed. Sir, I have completed this half. Some questions are like that I am not understanding.
Which
So chapter is not
I'm
completed.
going to
so questions
start,
will be
Chapter
left
5
over.
is not completed, but there is assignment to submit.
okay, I said this now. Whatever I have covered till then, you have to answer the question. Whatever the questions cover that question which been taught in the class, you have to complete it with that.
Sir, I'm not understanding question number 6.
Sir, you
Otherwise,
have-
I have done all the things.
I have
Okay.
understood.
Okay. I'm
Sir,
telling
if you
you.
ask in personal number class.
Listen to me. Whatever your queries, na, today you send it to me. Okay, all the students, so that by tomorrow you will do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so sir, how will I submit? I have been removed from IMSLG app.
For that, na, you means call in the
You
office.
should inform Ahmed, sir.
You have to ask Ahmed.
She has to meet Ahmed sir.
Sir, I said to MSA, but he's on vacation.
Okay.
You say to principal ma'am. I
Okay,
have talked to principal ma'am.
we
and
are
she has
not
added.
discussing here this thing. Okay, continue with the chapter. Okay, another thing, see, automobile, listen, is one of the most important cause of air pollution.
Air pollution.
Everyone is using automobiles, means scooter,
Everyone is-
bikes, cars, trucks, buses. Okay, aircraft also. So whatever the fuel they are using for energy production, the fuel is burned and exhaust as a fumes or smoke. When this go inside the means atmosphere, it will pollute the air. You heard this word also, means some fuel is good and some fuel is bad. Okay.
Yes.
So good fuel are those which burn completely, leaving very small residue. Residue means leftover thing.
Leftover.
over the things.
And see, this thing you also heard about in the news also, that the old bikes or scooter or buses should not enter in the city. in Delhi,
pollution.
due to
Create protein and lot of
हाँ,
pollution.
because as the engine get older in the vehicles, it will not burn the fuel completely. Okay, and in combustion will take place,
Will
and this in combustion will lead to air pollution.
Air
Okay, so you have to go through this chapter. Okay, because yes, beta. Acha, what are the effects? So, what are the effects of means air pollution? Amna, tell me. You are not sitting on lying on the bed. Amna, yes, you are lying on the bed or you are sleeping. Tell me what are the effects of air pollution on our health? Okay, Isma, you tell me first.
Sir, health hazards, we have respiratory diseases like asthma, pneumonia, and etc. Then
Okay.
we have environmental.
Yes, Sharish, you tell me. Okay, Isma, thank you. Jazakallah. Yes, Sharish, you tell me, beta.
Affecting their
Sir,
not growing
global
barren
warming,
land.
this is the global warming and in the, with the with
Yes, my voice is audible to you or not? Yes. Due to bad weather, it is lot of disconnectivity here. Earlier it was
Yes,
earlier it was
monsoon
going
weather
good,
is there.
but now it's within 10 minutes it disconnected 3 times.
Sir, please repeat your question.
right is
Yes.
the question.
Beta, listen, what you have to do? What you have to do? Make small bullet points, as I told in the class also, of this chapter and show it to me by tomorrow on my number.